Let's explain how to package a game into an APK for Android devices. First, open the Settings menu and go to the Runtime Library section. Here you can see there are two paths that need to set. These paths correspond to the installation directories of Android Studio and the Java JDK. The links to these runtime libraries are provided below. If you haven't installed them on your computer, you can download and install them via the provided links. We will explain the detailed settings for the runtime libraries later. Once the runtime libraries are set up, we need to fill in the information for the program package. All these package information fields need to be filled out. Otherwise, the output app might not be recognized by Android devices. The first time you set it up, you need to create a key file by clicking Manage Key Stores. Note that the key password must be more than 8 characters long. Fill in the information and click Generate Key Store to automatically generate the key file. Then, we can click Create APK Package. The editor will work in the background. Windows will pop up several command prompt windows, which you can ignore. Now let's talk about the runtime libraries. Starting with Android Studio. Open Android Studio and create an empty project. Click Tools from the menu and choose SDK Manager. You need to install the Android 14.0 SDK Platform 34 and sources for Android 34. Go to the SDK Tools tab. Click Show Package Details at the bottom right. Find the Android SDK Build Tools. Here we need to install version 34.00. Be sure not to install DLC version. Next, go to the Java JDK page. We need to install version 11.0, 20 or later version. You need to register an account before downloading. We can choose the Windows x60 for installer link to download. Java runtime environment will be included with the installation. After installing, we can manually check to see if everything is set up correctly. Open the Windows command prompt. Type Java version and then press Enter. If the Java installation information pops up, it means the installation was successful. If no version information is displayed, you need to reinstall Java. If the engine paths are correct but still cannot package the APK, we can manually check whether the folders in the path were complete. Here is the folder structure for the Android SDK and Java JDK. If your folders match the structure shown in the video, then the installation is likely correct. That's all for the runtime library settings. The packaging will be completed in the background shortly. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us directly. Once the packaging is complete, let's test whether it runs properly. That's the instruction of packaging a game into an APK through Engine. See you in the next video.